person.
Yep, maybe some fried sweet potatoes as well. Sweet potato fries.
All things cooked, yes.
Got to go to the Jamboree then this year.
Yes,
we have to.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's going to be a great event this year, but
should be cooler too by then, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully by then. But we do have the 4th of July coming up as well, and that's also going to be hot. So 92 degrees, that's going to be your high temperature for the 4th of July on Friday. Partly cloudy with a stray shower or two being a possibility, but rain chances will be at or less than 10%. High temperatures over the next several days. Nothing all that bad about this, folks. It could be a lot worse. If you've lived in East Texas, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Temperatures in the low to middle 90s. Yes, that could be a little warm for some people, but at least we're not at 100 degrees with a 71 degree dew point. Now, we do have high humidity, but we'll explain why that is here in just a second. Ridge of high pressures just to our east, and that helped to prevent any rain today, and this continues to bring in some onshore flow there in South Texas with a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms over West Texas, but here in East Texas, not dealing with much as we are under the influence of this ridge of high pressure, which means sinking air and very little in the way of rain chances. But for the remainder of tonight and tomorrow morning, we're really not dealing with much. 9 o'clock in the morning, a few passing clouds around, maybe a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms at 5 o'clock. And there you go. In deep East Texas, we're seeing those bubble up storms. The storms overall, they're going to shift from west to east there. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Not dealing with a lot here across East Texas, 7 o'clock Thursday morning. And then tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, kind of like tomorrow, we are going to see the bubble up shower and thunderstorm potential once again. Again, looking at 10, maybe up to 20% of us seeing the rain. In total, over the next 7 days, we might see a half inch of rain. That's about as good as what we're going to do. And with that, with the lack of rain chances we have in the forecast, or at least the lack of quantity of rain, since, yeah, we could see a stray shower over the next several days, it's looking like we're going to be warm and humid between the 7th and the 11th of this month, along with precipitation in a historically dry point of the year, maybe at or above normal. So that's great news. Not expecting a drought to set up over the next 7 days, and I don't expect burn bans over the next 7 days or fire weather conditions either. 70s and 80s for your temperatures. Dew points, they are in the low to middle 70s, so we continue to see that Gulf moisture stream on in. And as we look at tonight's forecast, we'll fall to 75, partly cloudy. Tomorrow, we are back to 94. Again, low rain chances. Each of the next 7 days, I've got our rain chances at or just below 20%. So yes, we will see a few stray showers in the area, but not everybody will receive that rain. And as you can see, highs in the 90s. You add a few degrees for how it's going to feel with that humidity in place. But those low temperatures, they will be in the 70s. Now, as we look at deep East Texas, similar deal for Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Crockett. High temperatures again in the 90s, lows in the 70s, with a few isolated showers and thunderstorms around through early next week. Isaac, Casey.